Поносия. 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 Затраски. Затраски.
You guys, let's wake up my dog so we can take a picture of him so we can color it. Okay, pose for the camera. And watch this. Now I can sit here for hours and paint a photo of my dog. Let's start filling in all the brown. So I'm going to click number 11 and then we're going to literally fill in everything that has an 11. Oh, this is so relaxing. And he loves it too. Okay, now we're getting closer. And as you can see, the more you color, the more it starts to look like the photo. Before I know it, I'm going to have a picture of my dog. This is color by number. It's my favorite app because you can choose pictures of anything you want. They even have Taylor Swift and Hello Kitty, which are my two favorites. I'm going to link it below if you want to start drawing.
Затраски. Затраски.